from Super Blast Pressure Washing here. I got a regular customer, Mrs. Brooks. What do you think about Super Blast?
I think you're fantastic. You do a wonderful job, and that's why I call you all the time. Prices are reasonable, and he does fantastic work. Call him.
There you have it. Thank you so much. Have a great day. All right, let's take a look at the job. It looks a whole lot better. Hey, Ken, what do you think about the job, man?
I think you did a great job. I mean, for the price that I paid, I think you did a fantastic job. My pool deck, my shed, my house, my driveway. I mean, look, you can't beat this.
There you have it, man. The customer, the proof's in the pudding.
That's right.
Thank you so much, and we'll see you next time.
Okay.
All right, I'm here from Super Blast Pressure Washing with a new customer. What do you think about the first job?
Did a great job. I'll have you back in 6 months.
There you have it. Proof is in the pudding, right? Don from Super Blast Pressure Washing.